Actually, sinabi ko po sa NBI na dito po sa notary public ko, you can verify. Marami po akong libreng ninonotaryo dyan dito, hindi ko po siningil to. Bakit kanyo? Paano ko sisingilin yung mga yan? Ang dami nila, tapos notaryo, simpleng affidavit lang po. Yung affidavit nga na magtatahon, nililibre ko So I had to perform my notarial duties in accordance with the rules on notarial practice, and I told the NBI that everything was documented. All the competent evidence of identity were verified, and they confirmed to me that it is their voluntary statement. So I just did perform my notarial duties, and we should not shirk on our duties to explain or to authenticate our act whenever we are asked by public authorities. That's what I did today. They subscribed the pinagsamang sinumpang salaysay on my front, and I verified all their identities, and I administered the oath as expected of me as a notary public. Yeah, I browsed over it, but I have nothing to do with the contents of the sinumpang salaysay. Hindi po namin trabaho yon. Basta sinasabi po nila, kusa po namin binigay ito at nakaharap kami sa iyo, ito po yung competent evidence of identity namin, kami po pumirma niyan, notaryohan po namin.